StudyMojo.com.
Now we are entering into the next section, next topic of this chapter, that is areas of combination of plane figures. The next topic is areas of combination of plane figures. Areas of combination of plane figures. First question is, in the figure, two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of a square lawn ABCD of side 56 meter. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonal of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower beds. This is the question. Shall read the question once again. In the given figure, two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of a square lawn ABCD of side 56 meter. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonal of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower beds. This is the question. Figure is given as, here is a square of side 56 meter. This is a square lawn of side 56 meter and flower beds. Here is also a flower bed of the same area. And diagonal. O is the point of intersection of the two diagonals and ABCD. ABCD is the square lawn and length is 56 meter. 56 meter. 56 meter. This is the figure and we have to find out the total area of the two flower beds and the square lawn. This is the figure given. So, first of all, we have to find out the area of the square lawn. Area of the square lawn. Area of the square lawn. Area of a square is side into side, which is equal to 56 into 56 meter square. 56 into 56 multiply. 56 into 56, which is equal to 3136. 3136 meter square is the area of the square lawn. Now, AOB is a sector. We have to find out the area of one sector and then subtract the area of triangle AOB. Now, we will get the area of this segment. This is a segment. Here also a segment of the same area. For that, first of all, we have to find out area of the sector. Area of the sector. Formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. This is equal to theta, it is 90 degree because AC and BD are the two diagonals of the square and here is the angle theta. The diagonals of the square are perpendicular bisectors. So, the angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB will be equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. That means diagonals of the square are perpendicular to each other. So, it is 90 by 360 into the value of pi, it is 22 by 7. Now we have to find out the radius. For finding the radius, the length AC, diagonal of the square is a root 2. If one side, the length of one side is a, then the length of the diagonal is a root 2. Now the length of one side, here it is 56 meter, therefore the diagonal AC is equal to 56 root 2. AC is equal to 56 root 2. Therefore, AO or BO, AO is equal to BO is equal to 56 root 2 by 2, which is equal to 28 root 2 is the radius of the sector. We are getting the radius of the sector as 28 root 2. Giving that value here, we are getting it as 28 root 2 into 28 root 2. Now, 90 and 360 are cancelling, it is 4. 4 into 7, it is equal to 28, cancelling with this 28. Now, the remaining quantities are 28 into 22 into 28 into root 2 into root 2, which is equal to 2. This is 56 into 22. 22 into 2 is equal to 56. 56 into 22. 1232. 1232 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Area of one sector we are getting it as 1232 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of the right triangle AOB. Area of right triangle AOB. Area of a right triangle AOB. Using the formula half BH. This is equal to half into OA into OB. OA into OB. Giving values half into OA, OB, we have already find out it as 28 root 2. 28 root 2 into 28 root 2 centimeter square. Now, root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. Cancelling with this 2, the remaining quantity is 28 into 28 is equal to 784 centimeter square is the radius of the right triangle AOB. We can find out the area of one segment. Area of one segment. Area of one segment by subtracting the area of right triangle from the area of sector. Area of sector is 1232 minus 784. 784 subtracting 8 4 448 meter square is the area of one segment. We are having two segments of the same area, therefore area of two segments is equal to 2 into 448 meter square, which is equal to 896 meter square. So, we can find out the total area. Therefore, total area of the flower bed. Flower bed is equal to area of the square plus area of two segments. The area of the square is 3136. 3136 plus 896. 4032 meter square is the total area of the flower bed including the square lawn. So, the method we are adopting here is, first of all, we are finding the area of the square. It is 3136 meter square. Now, we are finding the area of the sector AOB. Area of the sector AOB. We are getting it as 1232 centimeter square. Now, we want to subtract the area of triangle AOB from the area of the sector. So, area of triangle AOB is equal to half BH, which is equal to 784 meter square. Everything is meter square. Here also it is meter square. And subtracting, we are getting area of one segment as 448 meter square. We are having two segments of the same area. So, area of two segments is equal to 2 into 448 meter square, which is equal to 896 meter square. So, total area of the flower bed means area of two segments plus area of the square. It is 3136 plus 896 meter square. Adding, it is 4032 meter square is the total area of the square lawn plus two flower beds. The total area is 4032 meter square. So, this is the answer. Okay.